Got home and got my Shark stereo for my motorcycle. I'm going to plug it into a battery and see what it sounds like. I pretty much done set it all up, but this is for my VTX1300. It's a Shark motorcycle stereo audio, and it got all of these little ordeals: FM, UBS, SD card, iPod, MP3, MP4. So about 100 and something. Not too bad though. Let me show you what I got hooked up here. This is the system. I started to go with chrome, but I decided I was gonna go with black so it could sit behind my back wing and you really can't see it. This is the amplifier here, 250 watt. This is my USB ordeal, but this is pretty much what I got here. That's another remote. It got a red light on showing that it is power is hooked up to it, so that's cool. But I went with the black so it could sit down behind my bat wing. And it was pretty simple to hook up. This is the front of it with the dot turned on. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's there. All your little connectors and all this stuff: UBS, SD, auxiliary, volume, forward, reverse, play, pause, power. So, and I hooked it to a car battery, and it says from on the back, if you can see it, it says from 10 volts to 18 volts. 10 volts to 18 volts. Got the speaker hookup, left side, right side. Antenna, I'm gonna take that off. I'll use the radio. I listen to my own stuff. Remote plugged into it, and then you get another remote to go with it. So you kind of like have two remotes. And this remote here, they didn't send me the back holder for it, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this one or not, but maybe. Let's plug it in and see how it sounds. If it sparks, you see what I see. Plug this one in here, and we go there. Take this remote here. See, can we turn it on? Now you see what I see. It is on, and the music actually come right on. That's a rich home corn on there. 2 speakers. What's the volume set at? Let's see. That's at 12. Let's go up a little higher. Just trail nigga. All she want is a trail nigga. Most you lanes can even deal with it. I knock it out, keep it. She had fancy when she smiled. Shout it a dramatic, but a compliment her style. Late nights we get romantic. Need a babysitter for her child. If I whip out, she like, ooh, child. High volume is at 30. So that's what she look like. And I think I'm gonna stick this on. Stick the amplifier on the dash where I can see it, pull and plug if I wanted to plug it in. Speakers, I'm going to set them down kind of behind my bat wing. I'll video that once I have it all in place. Got a lot of cables. Got a little antenna here, which I'm not going to use. So, but this is it, and once I get it completely hooked up, I'll let you see what it do. And I guess this flashing let you know you're playing the MP3 player. So we can work it here. Got fast forward to the next song. We got fast forward to the next song.
These niggas got this shit fast.
Well, it should have. Oh, yeah. Then we got pause. And then we got play. Then we got reverse. Go back to the beginning. I guess I match it again and go back to the next one. Yeah. Got volume, control. Volume down 0, 0. Pump it up a little bit. Whole lot. Thanks for watching the video, and I bring the other video once I installed it on my bike.